Rule 3, power of a product property. To find a power of a product, find the power of each factor and multiply. So in this example, a times b to the m power, when you're using the power of a product property, you'd write that as a to the m times b to the m. What does that look like when we do it with numbers? That would be 2 to the 6th power times 3 to the 6th power. In the directions here it says use the power of a power property to simplify the expression. So we're going to first use the power of a power property. So this is going to become 2 to the 3rd times 3 to the 3rd. And then we're going to simplify that. Well, 2 to the 3rd means 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. And 3 to the 3rd means 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. So we're going to take 8 times 27. 7 times 8 is 56. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 5, we get 216. Letter B. Use the power of a product property, then simplify. So we get 6 to the 2nd times p to the 2nd. Well, 6 to the 2nd is 36, and p to the 2nd just stays p to the 2nd. Letter C, we have 12 to the 2nd. And then remember, when we raise a variable with an exponent to a power, we multiply that, so that becomes x to the 3rd times x to the 2nd, which is x to the 6th. Y to the 4th times the 2nd to the 2nd becomes y to the 8th. Then we want to simplify our number here. 12 squared is 144. X to the 6th, y to the 8th. Letter D, you're going to simplify that, or first use the power of a product property, so it becomes negative 2 to the 4th. Oops. And x to the 4th, y to the 4th. So negative 2 to the 4th is going to be negative 2 times negative 2, which is positive 4, times negative 2, which is negative 8. Negative 8 times negative 2 gives you positive 16. So the negative 2 to the 4th simplifies to 16. And then x to the 4th, y to the 4th. Letter E is going to become negative 3 to the 1/4, x to the 1/4. And we'll just leave that like that. And on letter F, notice that the negative sign is on the outside, so we're going to leave that on the outside. And it's going to become 4 to the 3rd, W, 2 times 3 is 6, and then Y, 3 times 3 is 9. We're going to go ahead and simplify the number 4 to the 3rd. So 4 to the 3rd is 4 times 4, which is 16, times another 4 is 64. And then we can remove the parentheses at that time, and we write it as negative 64, W to the 6th, Y to the 9th.